Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin bo Myntri Rangbah kejela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma haki khendiat benai ki bala dep ulaong. Baki samla ki bapendep ya jing puli jongki nega Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kinam yo kam sarkar hapo kejela Assam nakalyong Chancellor jong Skulbah Ustm umabubul hok ulaong ba ka jing puli kadai ka mat ka bayadai bat uno samla uba pas nagano gono Skulbah badhagano gono ka jaka jong ka ri wadah ka perthai baro ka weru ba amdan manu balaban khanglat persya yeno ru deka baong bahagini kisngi baro ki kam ki longbait kat kum ki examen ba pher ki ba ki khinna ki yakun haba kren kilat pathai khubor haslong press club ka sautrik risau arajar arpusau uhak ulaong ba ka Ustm ka Skulbah ka balayo ya ka kerdan grade A bat ka badairu na padeng ki arspa atri ki Skulbah ki babahatam jong ka ri bat baro ki sernot jingpin shisha bat ki jingpin scam laai deka sarkar India kumta kum ka Skulbah kam Kwah ban ay gano ka Jubab ya ki ba kum gidi ki jat Jingkren shushu uhok ulaong ba nakalyang ka Skulbah kala trei klem sange bat kala pun snutho i ki khna puli jongka ba ka jingtibit kam don nong shun kumta la da ki khna puli ki don ya ka jingtibit bat ki la ban pas ha ki examen ba pher ki ba ki yakhun amdon bala ban khang persya ni pin sange.
Friends, so education is a concurrent issue. So any student passing out from any university in anywhere in the country and even globally, that nobody can restrict anyone. Second thing, nowadays all the jobs based on the various competitive examinations. Today, if our students qualifying cracking NET examination, our students are eligible for any university, for any colleges. Similarly, if small jobs like teaching job, nowadays it is CTET is there, state TET is there. So if somebody is cracking, nobody can restrict. It is only that it has created a apprehension among the students. We have given the understanding, our students are knowing. And another thing is that you must be knowing that it is a A-grade university. A-grade private university, and we are among the 200 best university of the country, and this all certification and accreditation has been given by the government of India. So we are not giving any reply to such kind of thing, but this has created certainly unrest. We are innocently working, people from all over the country, people are knowing about USTM. We are relentlessly working, and we have given the understanding to our students that excellence has no enemy. So you excel, qualify the various competitive examinations, so nobody can stop. So this is your better knowing. So I think that we must be more aggressive, we must be more constructive, and we also must be responsive in terms of providing quality education to our students, so that whenever they are going to face any interview or any competitive examinations, our student can establish that yes, we studied in a very good university, and today we are in a very good position in different kind of avenues.
What is the